I'm a third grade teacher at Klondike Elementary, and today I'm going to show you how to help your child with solving a division problem. We can do this using 3 different strategies that I'm going to show you today. And the first one that we're going to do is a model drawing. So our division problem is 15 divided by 5. You're going to take your second number and draw that many groups. So my second number is 5, what it's being divided by. So I'm going to draw 5 groups. And my total number is 15. So what I'm going to do with that number is I'm going to put 1 in each of the groups until I get to 15. I'm going to count to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And then what I need to make sure and double check is that each of my groups have the same number in them. So I'm going to go back and count in each group. And there's 3 there. And that group has 3. That group has 3. That one has 3. And that one has 3. So they all have 3, which tells me that 15 divided by 5 equals 3. The second strategy you can use is repeated subtraction. The way that works is we start with our total number, 15. And I'm going to take 5 away until I get my answer to be 0. So I'm going to do 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 is 10. And then I'm going to take my answer and I'm going to keep subtracting 5 away. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And then my last one would be 5 minus 5, which equals 0. So once you get to 0, you're going to count how many equations it took you to get there. So I would count. So I would say here's 1 equation, here's another equation, and there's another equation, which is 3 equations. So that tells me that 15 divided by 5 is also 3 as well. The last strategy that I'll show you is using a number line. And what you want to make sure when you draw a number line is that all of your spaces are equal. It's very important that all the spaces are equal and that all your numbers are right underneath the points on there. When you start solve a division problem on a number line, you want to start with your total. So my total is 15, so I'm going to start at 15. And then I'm going to count, I'm going to make a jump backwards of 5 until I get to 0. So it's pretty similar to repeated subtraction, except for I'm just making jumps on my number line. So I'm going to go backwards 5, and I'm going to make another dot and jump there. So that was my first jump. So instead of counting equations, now I'm just counting jumps down here. And I'm going to take 5 away again, make a dot and another jump, my second jump, and then I'm going to count 5 again and end on 0. Make sure you end on 0. And that would be my third jump. Again, ending on 0 is important. If you end on a different number, you might have made a mistake in your jumping and you should probably go back and try it again. And that shows you that 3 is the answer in all of the strategies, so 15 divided by 5 equals 3.